Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell fish to the merchant and fish it on Roblox. So after you've been fishing for a while, your inventory is going to fill up pretty fast. And to actually turn those fish into coins, you need to sell them to a merchant. And the good news is, this is really simple once you know where to go. Now, all you have to do is find the fish merchant on your current island. There's usually an NPC near the dock or main area with a sell option. Once you walk up to them, interact with the merchant, and you'll see your inventory pop up on the screen. If not, you can just simply click Sell All. And from there, you can choose to sell individual fish or just sell everything at once. And if you're trying to make money quickly, it's usually best to sell all your common fish and keep grinding. But if you have rare or valuable fish, you might want to check their value first before selling. Selling fish regularly is super important because it frees up your inventory space and gives you the coins you need to buy the better rods, upgrades, and unlock new areas. So, you want to make sure you're not just fishing nonstop. Always go back and sell when your bag is full. As you progress in the game, you'll also find better fishing spots and rare fish that sell for much higher prices, which means even more profit every time you visit the merchant. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!